This is the 2027 BMW X7, and from the first second, it looks like BMW turned its flagship SUV into something darker, wider, and far more aggressive. Welcome back to Auto Tech Report. Today, we are taking a close look at the 2027 BMW X7, finished in stunning carbon black metallic with a full black luxury interior. This SUV is big, bold, and built to make a statement. Every angle shows a mix of executive comfort, performance styling, and modern BMW presence. From the illuminated front end to the dramatic rear lighting and premium cabin, this X7 looks ready to challenge every luxury SUV in its class. Starting with the front, the 2027 BMW X7 has a commanding face. The massive kidney grille sits proudly in the center, framed with bright chrome that stands out against the deep black paint. It gives the SUV a serious flagship identity, while the tall hood and wide body make it feel powerful before it even moves. The slim LED headlights add a sharp, futuristic look. Their horizontal light signature stretches towards the sides, making the front appear even wider. Below them, the vertical LED elements in the bumper add a modern performance touch. The lower section is filled with large honeycomb air intakes, sculpted black surfaces, and strong metallic trim that gives the SUV a more aggressive road presence. The carbon black metallic paint is a major highlight. In bright daylight, it reflects the luxury villas, palm trees, and wet pavement around the SUV. From the low front angle, the wide tires, black alloy wheels, and muscular bumper make this X7 look like a luxury SUV with real attitude. From the side profile, the X7 keeps that large and premium SUV proportion. It has a long body, tall roofline, and strong shoulder line running across the doors. The black wheels match the paint perfectly and give the vehicle a stealthy performance appearance. The roof rails, dark window trim, and tinted glass also add to its upscale character. The stance looks wide and confident. This is not a soft-looking family SUV. It feels planted, solid, and ready for long-distance luxury driving. The modern residential background also fits the vehicle perfectly, with clean stone houses, glass balconies, palm trees, and wet reflective asphalt. The X7 looks at home in a high-end neighborhood. Moving to the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. The full-width LED taillight stretches across the tailgate, creating a clean red light signature that makes the SUV look wider and more futuristic. The rear glass is dark, the roof spoiler is sporty, and the tailgate has strong sculpted surfaces that catch the light beautifully. The X7 badge is placed clearly on the rear, while the X-Drive badging gives it that all-wheel drive luxury SUV identity. Lower down, the rear bumper looks very aggressive. You can see a diffuser-style section, sharp black trim, and quad exhaust outlets with chrome surrounds. This gives the back of the vehicle a strong performance look. From the low rear angle, the wide tires and illuminated taillights make the X7 look powerful and expensive. The red reflection on the wet pavement adds a cinematic effect, almost like a luxury car commercial. It is bold, clean, and very premium. Interior-wise, the 2027 BMW X7 continues with a black luxury cabin that feels modern and expensive. The dashboard has a clean, horizontal layout with a wide digital display for the driver and infotainment system. The screen design feels sharp, giving the cockpit a high-tech look without feeling too complicated. The steering wheel has a sporty BMW shape with multi-function controls, while the center console uses glossy black surfaces, metallic trim, and a rotary controller. The wood-style trim across the dashboard and doors adds warmth to the black interior, creating a balance between sport and luxury. The front seats look large, supportive, and comfortable. The black leather has detailed stitching and a premium texture. The door panels also look refined, with layered materials, metallic handles, and premium speaker areas. The panoramic glass roof brings natural light into the cabin, making the black interior feel more open and luxurious. The second row is where this SUV really feels like a flagship. The rear seats are wide, soft, and finished in matching black leather. The center armrest with cup holders adds comfort for passengers, and the rear climate control area gives the cabin a more premium feel. Large windows, a black headliner, and the panoramic roof make the space feel bright but still elegant. Finally, overall, the 2027 BMW X7 in carbon black metallic looks like a serious evolution of BMW's flagship SUV. The front is aggressive, the side profile is strong, the rear is futuristic, and the black interior gives it a true premium atmosphere. But now the big question is this: would you choose this 2027 BMW X7 over a Mercedes GLS, Range Rover, or Cadillac Escalade? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this first look, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Auto Tech Report for more future car reviews and next-generation SUV previews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.